There's a good chance I'm stuck. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. If you're brand new here, hello, welcome. So very excited to meet you. So today what we're going to be doing is going through this big pile of stuff here next to me. This is a very broad range of things that I have for today. There's going to be some unboxing involved, a little bit of a haul from my birthday. There's going to be some packages from you guys, which are one of the most special things that I could ever receive. Some PR stuff, some other things. It's a whole bunch. This chair one day is for real just gonna splat out from underneath me. Anyway, so I figured we'd just go ahead and jump on into it. If you're currently thinking, wow, it looks like she took a heavy dose of sinus medication and slept in her makeup, then you would be 100% correct. So sorry, I am looking a bit rugged right now, but let's just go ahead and hop on into this very random video. First things first, I want to shout out Isabel, who sent me a birthday card in the mail. I thought that was so absolutely sweet of you. Alrighty, now I'm really quickly gonna show you guys what I got for my birthday. You guys are gonna think I'm so weird. The stuff I received isn't typical birthday stuff. Well, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is actually typical birthday stuff. It is a purse here. This is a fossil purse that I found at TJ Maxx for, I'm not sure, but my mom very kindly got this for me for a birthday gift, and there's a little extra bonus inside. It also came with a Giovanni's coupon. And if you're from an area that knows what Giovanni's is, that's a pretty good deal. And since this came from TJ Maxx, it was definitely not full price. I personally like to avoid full price costs at any cost. Alright, next up is something that I talked about on my channel not too long ago, and my boyfriend actually bought it for me for my birthday. I thought it was so sweet of him. In my last, what was that called? Macy's beauty box unboxing, I got a little sample of a perfume and I thought it smelled so very good, and I was like, oh, I want to buy it, but I thought it was pretty expensive for a full-size bottle. But my lovely boyfriend bought this for me for my birthday. This is Dolce Garden by Dolce & Gabbana. It has a really pretty little rose cap on top and a pretty snazzy black bow right here. I don't know, I just thought it smelled really good. It's something I'm not really used to, but I liked it, and he was kind enough to get it for me for my birthday. Okay, next up are two items that I got from my mom, and they aren't standard items that you would probably get for your birthday, but I absolutely love antique things, as you guys know, vintage items and stuff like that, so she surprised me with a couple little things that she found on her antiquing journeys. Alright, first thing up are these two random reels. I think they're really awesome. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with them yet. Probably just hang them on the wall, or I have absolutely no idea. If you guys have any ideas for these reels, let me know. I just think they're aesthetically very cool and I like them a lot. And then the second thing is completely random, and most people probably wouldn't like this at all, but I love it. As you guys know, I'm kind of fond of unusual animals like goats and squirrels and things like that, but I also have a collection of deer pottery, vintage deer pottery, and my mom found this lamp and I think it's amazing. It's just a full deer. It's pretty awesome. I don't know, I think it's super duper cool. I have absolutely no idea if it even works, but I think it's just really awesome. It's definitely vintage. I don't know, I think it's so cute. He has a little puffed out chest and a little fluffy tail. I don't know, I think it's absolutely adorable. But I'm gonna go ahead and move on into some of these boxes over here from you guys. I'm so very excited to see what's inside of them. Alrighty, gotta whip out the trusty box cutter for these guys. Isabel? Oh my goodness, I just now realized the birthday card from Isabel. She also sent this box. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Isabel. You guys are beyond kind and sweet to me. Please don't ever feel like you need to send me anything in the mail. You guys are awesome. If you do want to send anything, a letter would be super cool. I read all of them. I keep all of them. They're right over there where I can see them. But this is absolutely amazing. Thank you. Okay, so this little card here says, okay to read during unboxing, should you decide to do a video. She says here is a thank you mystery box for you. Oh wow, there's something that she actually made in here. I'm very excited to see that, so let's go ahead and dive on in. First things first, some bubble wrap, always a good start. Oh my goodness! I'm sorry if I just scared you in the camera. I got really excited because there's a Supernatural pin in here, and I absolutely love Supernatural. Oh no, I ripped Dean's face off. Ooh, wow. Next in here we have some things from Givenchy, which I'm probably saying incorrectly, and this is a healthy glow powder and a healthy glow powder. These are both in the same shade, so I'm sure Isabel will be okay with me giving one away. Thank you very much, Isabel. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's some fancy stuff in here. Next up we have something from Dior, and I think I've owned one thing ever in my life from Dior. More Supernatural. Oh, look how cute these are. They're little like butterfly sticky notes. Oh my gosh, something from NARS. This is the light reflecting setting powder. Oh, that's cool. Wow, you guys, Isabel, this is like way too much. All right, next up in here is a little Inglot shadow. Ooh, that is a very pretty like icy blue color. Very pretty. Oh, next up in here is a very cute little candle. Look at that, you guys. That's so pretty. It's like pearl encrusted and really glittery. Ahaha! Next up we have some cat ears here to add to my cat ear collection. Oh good, they stretch really far to like encapsulate my gigantic head. Oh, those are really cute. Thank you, Isabel. And then the very last thing in here, which is wrapped up in bubble wrap, is something that she made. And you guys, it's beautiful. Look at this thing. So to accompany this, she gave me like an entire little printout here of the Tree of Life meanings. This is a Tree of Life and it's absolutely beautiful. I cannot believe you made this. This is so pretty. Thank you so very much, Isabel. The card, the box, like I was blown away with the birthday card. The box was just completely extra. Oh my goodness. Thank you so very much. Alrighty, next up here we have something from Burnsville. I'm not sure what the first name is yet, but I don't want to say your last name on camera. Oh, okay, there's a little note in here and it says, I made these for you. I too love skulls. Thank you for being a wonderful nerd. You're welcome. You make my day with your videos. Best of luck with your new shop. Oh, thank you, Brittany. Oh, she has a YouTube as well. Lady Lovesick. Whoa. Look, you guys. They're like little like pirate earrings with skulls on them. Those are absolutely adorable. If it would focus. Oh, those are so cute. Thank you so much. And it also looks like she has a little shop, which is Britterfly. I like the play on words there. .com. You guys are honestly just far too sweet. Just the best people ever. Alrighty, and next up, this one came in an Amazon box. I'm not quite sure where it's from. Oh, yes. Oh, okay, so this is from Darla Gray, and she is absolutely awesome. She's on YouTube all the time, like helping people out in the comments and things like that. So thank you so very much, Darla. And she also sent more chalk markers, which she must have like known that I was running out of white to write with back here. So thank you so very much. Alrighty, guys, next up I have something from Jody. Let's go ahead and see what this is. Ooh. So there is a little card in here and also something I got really excited about. There's a super cool like skull makeup bag. This is awesome. And it feels like there's something inside. And there is a pot of gold inside, aka Haribo gold bears. Oh, I just love candy so much. Thank you so very much, Jody. That was very sweet of you. Alrighty, next up I have this package which says Alexandria, open this envelope. So I will oblige and follow the rules and go ahead and cut this out. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at this, you guys. It says Alexandria with a skull. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. That's absolutely amazing. I love this. That's so cool. Eventually, when I get a spot, this too will earn a spot back here on my little wall. Oh, awesome. It looks like they also sent some decals in here of different like skull things. That's so cool. So inside here, she says that she has sent a box of her favorite things and some of the favorite things of other YouTubers she likes. So I'm really excited to see what is in here. Ooh, okay. First off here, we have an OPI nail polish, and I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but my nails are already a disaster. I just painted them for the first time in a long time and they're already very chipped off, so maybe this nail polish will be a bit better. Ooh, we have an e.l.f. brush in here. We also have an Ulta nail polish remover pen. That's also perfect because every time I paint my nails, I don't just paint my nails, I paint like the entire like finger skin around them. Look how cute this is. It's a calculator. Oh goodness, she knows how bad I am at math. This is the calculator shaped like an ice cream like stick thing. This is just the cutest thing ever. It's definitely gonna stay at my makeup table for when I have to add up those really tricky BoxyCharm values. Oh, something I desperately need. This is sponge and brush cleaner. Some brushes I haven't cleaned in quite some time. So I definitely think this is something I could for sure use. Where do you get adorable things like this? These are mini scissors that are in the shape of the strawberry and they're a refrigerator magnet if it's not cute enough. Oh, we have some eye boomerangs in here. Oh my goodness, y'all. She decorated the inside of the box. Can you see that? That's just the cutest thing ever. Alrighty, I think that is everything I have received from you guys. Thank you so very much. I don't think you all realize how much like this means to me. It's just, It's truly amazing. Please don't feel like you ever have to do this. Like I said, a letter would be more than enough if you guys like want to reach out and talk with me and stuff. So just thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Alrighty, next up I have a couple of little PR thingies that were sent to me. Oh, actually before that, I want to show you guys this really fast because I kind of think it's adorable. So I told you guys last semester that I was writing my thesis and doing all that stuff, but I graduated and that's done, thankfully. But when I turned in my thesis, there's an option to like bind it into a book, and I was like, yeah, and it just came, so it's kind of like I've written my own book even though I really haven't, but it's like having my own book. I'm not sure if you guys can see that at all, but it's my name in there and everything, so I thought that was kind of fun. It's just a nice little memento of the hours and hours and hours I slaved away writing one real long paper. Alrighty, now it's on to like the PR kind of stuff. This little package of items showed up in my mailbox not too long ago. All of this right here, this is from, no, don't you dare, don't you dare. This is from Idun, and they are a really cool makeup brand, I think from like Sweden. I couldn't remember which one it was, but it's like all natural and they're mineral makeup and things like that. So I'm really excited to try these out. Plus I think it just has beautiful packaging on it. It's all very like artistic and stuff, which I like. Alright, up next I have a couple of things that have come from brands through Octoly, so I was going to go ahead and show you guys those. This first one here was sent to me, a brief review from Context, and I've never heard of this makeup brand before, so I really wanted to try out these liquid lipsticks. Alrighty, so I have 3 different liquid lacquers here to try out from Context. The first one is called It's So Easy, the second one is Sticky Sweet, and the third one is Romantic. I figure I'll go ahead and get a couple little swatches of these guys, maybe pop one on my lips because they look rough right now. I am an absolute box hoarder and I hate like ripping off the little tabs when you can't get the package open. You guys should see my box collection, or maybe you shouldn't see it. You might make fun of me. It's getting pretty bad. Ooh, okay, this first one looks right up my alley. This is in the shade Romantic. Alrighty, so here are all 3 of them swatched on the back of my hand. Here is Romantic, It's So Easy, and Sticky Sweet. At first I thought Romantic was going to be like my shade, but I'm thinking Sticky Sweet might actually be it. Speaking of Sticky Sweet, these do feel sticky to the touch, so I'm not really sure if they dry down. I'm guessing since it's a lip lacquer and not a liquid lip, that they probably don't. Alrighty, here is Sticky Sweet on. I actually do like this color, and it's not too sticky on the lip, like it doesn't give you the spider webs that I'm not too fond of. I did try to wipe off the rest and it stained my hand just a little bit, so now it looks kind of like a severe burn. Speaking of a severe burn, I somehow like burned a hunk out of my thumb, and I don't know how. I don't know when that happened. Alrighty, next up from Octoly, we have something in a yellow baggie here. Oh, what do we know? Yet another lip gloss. So this is from Givenchy, and I did receive this free from Givenchy for review. And this looks kind of similar to the one I'm wearing right now, but it's more on the purpley side, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off and try this one on.
Oh my gosh, use a makeup wipe, you animal.
Whoa, that's one of the strangest doe foots I've ever seen. It's like really thick at the end and kind of squared off. Ooh, okay, so I actually really like this color. It kind of has like a nice taste to it too. Like when you inhale a little bit, you get a bit of like a fruity flavor. There are like tiny bits of shimmer in it, but I think it's a really pretty color, something I could like put in my purse for when I just need a bit of color on my lips. My makeup looks absolutely atrocious right now, so maybe if I had like better makeup on, the lip product would look a little bit better. But I do like how it looks on the lips, even with this train wreck of a face right now. Alright guys, last up we have another Octoly thing, but this one I'm kind of excited about, but I'm also a little bit terrified by. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, so I mentioned that I'm going to be trying to self-tan myself on this channel, which if you guys know, I talk about being pale all the time on here because I'm pale. But hopefully with this St Moriz stuff right here, I will achieve a summertime glow. I have 100% never been able to achieve a summertime glow, and I've never tried like real self-tanning before. Back in the day, like 2009, back in the day, I did try to use some like Jergens Natural Glow, but it never did anything. So this is the first time I'm going to be trying a self-tanner out. So here I have the primer, which is like an exfoliating skin thing that prepares your skin. And here I have the Tannin Mousse. And I got the shade medium, which now I'm wondering if that was a bad idea. Maybe I should have gone with light. I don't know. I really hope this turns out okay, but I am going to be trying this on my channel because you know, oh dear, I made it mush out. Because I talk about like being pale all the time, so I wanted to see if I could remedy the situation by trying out some self-tanner. I think you can find this stuff at like Walgreens. I just have never picked any up, so I'm really excited to try it out. And of course, this was sent to me for review from St Moriz. And I also hope I'm saying that name correctly. I don't 100% know. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot about the biggest box down here. I'm sure you guys have seen other YouTubers get this box, and I kind of can't believe that it came to me, this. But I'm really excited about it. I showed you guys the one gigantic box I got from CoverGirl, and they sent another one. I 100% don't know if I can even pick this up or if I should even try, but here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you have to start going to the gym. That was more exercise than I've gotten in quite some time. Okay, anyway, this gigantic CoverGirl box, which I'm still like completely blown away that they would send me something like this, came in the mail, and this is 100% full of foundations with like a million different shades. So I definitely want to try this out for you guys. I'm sure you've seen other YouTubers try it out, but in an upcoming video, I'm going to be trying the foundation from here. I wish I could like show it to you guys without this falling all over my floor and me breaking things, because that's 100% likely. There goes something. Yeah, I don't think this is how unboxing works. Oh my god. Uh-oh. There's a good chance I'm stuck. If I could just get this flap open. I don't think it's gonna happen. Okay, it's happening. Oh, we're almost there. Ta-da! So I will hopefully be trying out some of these foundations for you guys. I'm gonna put this down before I break everything in my room. Oh my gosh, my arm's almost on fire. Alrighty guys, so that was everything I had for you all today. Just thank you so very much to everyone who's ever sent a letter or a special package. You guys are absolutely the best. Even if you've ever written a comment or left a like on a video, like, it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so very much. So just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me as well. And I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!